Montana, a land where the sky stretches wider than imagination itself, and the very air hums with the spirit of the wild. While millions flock to the geysers and grandeur of Yellowstone, we're embarking on a different journey today. A journey off the beaten path to the hidden corners of this magnificent state, where nature whispers secrets only the intrepid traveler can uncover. We'll be venturing to places where the crowds dwindle and the true essence of Montana reveals itself. Places of profound peace, breathtaking beauty, and whispers of a past long gone, yet still palpable in the windswept plains and towering peaks. These are more than just hidden gems. They are Montana's best-kept secrets, waiting to be discovered. Join me as we delve into the heart of Montana and unveil 5 destinations that will ignite your wanderlust and leave you breathless with awe. Imagine this. You're driving through the heart of Montana's ranch country, vast plains stretching out on either side, the sun beating down on the endless expanse. And then, rising from the plains like a mirage, a sight that seems to defy the very landscape itself, a vibrant tapestry of color and spirituality, the Garden of 1,000 Buddhas. Built in the year 2000 by Tibetan monks, this sacred space isn't just a collection of statues, it's a living, breathing prayer for world peace. Each of the 1,000 meticulously crafted statues represents a Buddha, destined to awaken during our lifetime, their serene faces gazing out over the Montana plains. At the heart of this sanctuary stands the magnificent Yum-Chenmo statue, the embodiment of wisdom and tranquility. Carved from a single colossal block of marble weighing 25 tons, she seems to radiate a palpable aura of peace. It's a testament to the dedication and artistry of the monks who dedicated years to her creation. Visit at dawn, as the first rays of sunlight bathe the garden in a golden glow. You might be fortunate enough to witness the monks chanting their morning prayers, their voices echoing across the serene landscape as the mist curls off the nearby Jocko River. The air is thick with incense and the sound of silence, broken only by the gentle tinkling of prayer flags fluttering in the breeze. One can't help but feel a sense of profound peace wash over them in this sacred space. It's a feeling echoed by Janelle S., a visitor from Oregon, who remarked, "I've been to Tibet. This rivals the serenity of Lhasa, and no one knows it's here." The Garden of 1,000 Buddhas is a testament to the power of faith and the beauty of unexpected discoveries. It's a place to reconnect with yourself, to find solace in the serenity, and to leave feeling refreshed and inspired. From serenity, we journey to a land frozen in time, a land where the echoes of giants still resonate through the striated cliffs and sun-baked canyons. Welcome to Makoshika State Park. This isn't just another example of Montana's rugged badlands beauty, it's a portal to a prehistoric past, a place where dinosaurs once roamed. In 1902, this land surrendered a secret that sent ripples through the scientific community: the fossilized bones of a Tyrannosaurus rex cousin, aptly named the Makoshika rex. This groundbreaking discovery cemented Makoshika's place as a paleontological treasure trove. Today, the thrill of discovery still hangs heavy in the air. As you traverse the park's many trails, keep your eyes peeled. You might just stumble upon a fossil jutting out from the earth, a tangible link to a time when colossal creatures ruled the earth. One of Makoshika's most striking features is the Camel's Back formation. This towering natural sculpture, sculpted by the relentless forces of erosion over millions of years, bears an uncanny resemblance to its namesake. It stands as a testament to the power of time and the ever-changing face of our planet. For the truly adventurous, a hike to the top of the Camel's Back is an absolute must. As you stand on the precipice, gazing out over the otherworldly landscape, it's easy to imagine yourself transported back millions of years, to a time when dinosaurs roamed these very hills. Brent L. from Kansas, who visited with his family, shared his experience. "My kids found a fossilized turtle shell. The park ranger told us it's rarer than winning the lottery. Such is the magic of Makoshika, a place where adventure awaits around every corner, and the past is never truly gone, merely waiting to be rediscovered." Chapter 3. Garnet Ghost Town, a haunting whisper of the past. Our next destination takes us to a place frozen in time, a ghost town with a story as poignant as it is intriguing. Nestled amongst the towering pines and rugged hills of Montana lies Garnet, a once thriving mining town that met an abrupt and mysterious end. In 1912, a devastating fire swept through Garnet, forcing its inhabitants to flee their homes, leaving behind a town frozen in time. Today, Garnet stands as a haunting reminder of the boom and bust cycle of the gold rush era. Walking through the deserted streets of Garnet is like stepping back in time. The saloons, stores, and homes stand eerily silent, their interiors preserved just as they were left over a century ago. The only sounds are the sighing wind whistling through the broken windows and the crunch of your footsteps on the wooden sidewalks. The Kelly Saloon, once a bustling hub of activity, now stands silent, its bar stools empty, the remnants of a bygone era scattered about. Locals whisper tales of the saloon being haunted, with visitors reporting strange occurrences, disembodied voices, phantom piano music, and objects moving inexplicably. For those seeking a truly unique experience, Garnet offers winter tours. Imagine snowmobiling through the silent forest, the only sound the whir of your engine, and arriving at Garnet to find the town blanketed in snow, a scene of stark beauty and haunting tranquility. Look closely and you might spot wolf tracks leading towards the abandoned cabins, a reminder that nature has reclaimed this once bustling town. Emily J., a visitor from Colorado, shared her chilling experience. "I found a child's doll in the schoolhouse." Chills. Garnet is a place that lingers in the mind long after you've left, a testament to the enduring power of the past. Chapter 4, Kootenai Falls and Swinging Bridge, a dance with gravity and history. Our journey takes us now to a place where adrenaline meets history, where a simple suspension bridge becomes a portal to breathtaking beauty. Welcome to Kootenai Falls and the exhilarating Swinging Bridge. Built in 1938, this isn't just any bridge, it's Montana's last original suspension bridge, a testament to a bygone era of engineering. But be warned, this bridge isn't for the faint of heart. As you step onto the wooden planks, the bridge sways and bounces beneath your feet, the roar of the Kootenai Falls growing louder with every step. But the reward for your bravery is well worth the trembling knees. As you reach the middle of the bridge, look out, and you'll be greeted by a sight that will take your breath away. The cascading torrents of Kootenai Falls, plunging over moss-covered cliffs into the turquoise waters below. This is the very spot where the legendary explorers Lewis and Clark nearly met their demise in 1805. Their boats, tossed about like toys in the raging rapids, narrowly avoided disaster. Today, adventurous souls can experience the power of the falls firsthand by whitewater rafting through the Class 4 rapids. Local guides jokingly refer to it as Montana's Niagara, and it's easy to see why. Carlos R., a visitor from Texas, described his experience on the bridge. "My knees were shaking. But that photo? Worth it." And he's right. The view from the swinging bridge is nothing short of spectacular, a perfect blend of natural beauty and heart-stopping thrills. Chapter 5, Bighorn Canyon, Montana's secret oasis. Our final destination takes us off the grid, to a place so well hidden, even Google Maps struggles to pin it down. This is Bighorn Canyon, a hidden oasis of towering sandstone cliffs, emerald green waters, and a sense of serene isolation that's hard to find in today's world. Local Montanans, the keepers of this hidden gem, will tell you about the Afterbay Gulch Trail. This challenging but rewarding hike leads to a secret waterfall, a hidden sanctuary where the only sounds are the cascading water and the calls of unseen birds. But Bighorn Canyon holds another secret, one that sets hearts racing and cameras clicking: wild mustangs. These majestic creatures, descendants of horses brought over by the Spanish centuries ago, roam free in the canyon, their coats gleaming in the sun as they gallop across the open plains. To truly experience the grandeur of Bighorn Canyon, rent a boat from Oka Bay Marina. The friendly staff, experts on the canyon's hidden treasures, will point you towards the Narrows, a section where the canyon walls close in, creating a cathedral-like atmosphere. Arrive at noon when the sun is at its zenith, and witness the sandstone walls glow a fiery orange, a spectacle that will leave you breathless. Nina H., a visitor from Washington, shared her unforgettable experience. "We camped on a cliff ledge, woke up to bighorn sheep staring at us. This is the magic of Bighorn Canyon, a place where wildlife encounters are the norm, and adventure awaits around every bend." As the sun dips below the horizon, casting long shadows across the rugged landscape, we come to the end of our journey through Montana's hidden gems. But the spirit of adventure doesn't end here. These hidden corners of Montana remind us that true beauty often lies beyond the well-trodden path, waiting to be discovered by those willing to venture off the beaten track. These are the places where memories are made, stories are born, and the soul is rejuvenated. Before you go, If you want more hidden gems like these, make sure you're part of our adventure crew. Hit that big red subscribe button and turn on notifications for it Go Globetrotters Travel. Because next week we're revealing Wyoming's illegal to visit zones, access forbidden since 1947. Seriously folks, YouTube's algorithm is weird. The only way to guarantee you'll see that video is to subscribe and hit the bell. Do it right now, I'll wait.